Okay, Eddie, get out of the way. Yeah, go ahead. Luke, I got your nastiness on video. Let the court record show. Eddie, you're being grouchy on video.
Yeah, I don't care.
That was pretty good, Luke. Come back up and do one more. Look at those icicles. That's from that tree.
That one's about to fall.
That's cool. You want one? Here, hold the camera. Hold it up here while I get one. There we go.
You go in the open shot.
Okay, you ready? Give it a go. Whoa, it goes pretty far.